this question is actually a ratio question. So in the quiz, right, students are given two boxes, X and Y. The X and Y both consist of a blue and red pen. In box X, the ratio of the blue to red is 5:4, and Y, in box Y, the ratio of blue is to red is 5:1. And then finally, the last information that we receive is the box X is actually 3 times as many pens as in box Y. Okay, let us do this step by step. Okay, so we know that we have box X and box Y. So both has blue and red, correct? Blue and red. For this box X, right, the ratio is 5:4. This Y is actually 5:1. But then something that we know is, we know that this box X has 3 times as many as what we have in box Y. So what we know is 5:1. Total here will be 6, right? Correct? Box Y have total 6. And then this has 3 times. So here will be 18. Okay, this is the first thing that we established. But we also notice that now the first question is actually the ratio of the blue pen here in box X to the number of red pen in box Y. Okay, I know that this is 18, but over here only add up to be 9. So how to make this 18? I here times 2. That means this one I need to times. This one I need times 2. Now 8. And this one times 2 become 10. So the ratio of blue in X to the ratio of red in Y is actually 8. It's actually 10:1. Okay, the second part is we know that the second part we add 66 more red pen into box Y. So I've had just name box Y. Initial blue is actually 5. Is to red 1. And when I add 66 pens, 66 red pens, the ratio becomes 3:5. Okay, so it's actually asking what is the number of red pen that I have before the addition. Okay, I know that the red pen in box Y changes, but the blue pen in box Y did not change. So these two definitely should be the same, right? So how can I make it the same? Is actually I can times. Over here I times 3. And then here over I have times 5. And then this I times 5. And over here I times 3. So when I make the adjustment of the blue pen and red pen, and then this is what I'm going to have. So before, my blue pen my blue pen will be 15, and then my red pen will be 3. Okay, the ratio. After I add the 66 in, my blue pen is still the same, 15, because there's no additional of blue pen inside. My red pen actually becomes 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, 25. And then this is actually the 66 pens that I actually add in. How many units is this? This is actually 22 units. I have 22 units equals to 66 pens. 1 unit will be equals to 3 pence. So over here there are actually 3 units because this is the rate before, because I'm interested in before. So 3 unit will actually give me 9 pence. So over here, right, is 15. If 15 times 3, I can do a check back. 15 times 3, 15 times 3, right, will give me 45. Then this is blue to the ratio of red, right? And then I cancel, is 5 to 1. Which is this, will come back to this. So this is check correct. Okay?